All right, so we're gonna check out my marble collection today, and this is one of my favorite here. And then we're gonna start making some marbles. So the reason that marble I just showed you is my favorite is because it just looks so optical and sea creature-like. So I'm picking up some Murrine, and I'm gonna make a similar looking marble right now. The Murrine I picked up to make this marble is made from a bundle of cane, and when you get the Murrine molten, you can see there they kind of blossom almost like a flower. That's a much better shot there. So now I'm just letting this cool a little bit, and I'm going to take another gather. You can see there how the Murrine have really come to life, almost like a sea anemone or something. And so now I'm going to finish that sharp part off with the torch and start making another marble. This is just one single Murrine with a bundle of cane in the center. So I've worked the Murrine into the molten clear, and you can see how it's kind of blossomed again there. And now I've finished the marble, and I'm going to put it on a piece of kiln post with a hole in it so I can set the marble right on that hole and it won't roll away. Alright, now I set it up right and light my torch so I can polish off that rough top. And I use my other graphite marble mold to smooth out the top. That gives me a nice perfect sphere. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching how I make marbles, and I hope you learned something if you make marbles. And please subscribe below if you want to see more of my videos. Thanks a lot.